Hello friends, in today's Photoshop tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how to change any object color using Photoshop step-by-step tutorial. But before I dive into the tutorial, if you're very new to this channel, please remember to subscribe to the channel. So with that being said, let's get started. First thing you need to do is to come down below right here and make sure you click on here. And at this point here, you need to choose Hue and Saturation. So from the very point here, you need to come here and make sure you click on here. So having selected this, you have to come to the master right here and make sure you choose red. So having choose red, then you have to come to the hue and make sure you type in -44. You have to come to saturation color, then you have to type in -9 for saturation, -9. Then you have to come to the lightness. So make the lightness -15. Boom. So you can see the next thing you need to do is to come to the blend mode right here, and at this point here you have to play with the blending option. Okay, so you can come down below right here and make sure you change the blend mode to color. So having changed the blend mode to color, then you have to come to the opacity, make the opacity 90%. You can type in on the colon 90% and place on enter, and then you can close up this particular window right here. So you can see that we have successfully changed this color from red to another color, and this is the same step you can use to follow to change any object color in Photoshop step-by-step tutorial. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumb up, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tutorial like this. Bye for now. How it's supposed to